Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix SSD or NVMe not showing on your file explorer. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you have connected your SSD or NVMe and it's not showing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click on this search menu, then type here disk management, or you can just right click on this start menu, then click on disk management. Here you can find your SSD or NVMe. Suppose it's showing for initialize, just assign the drive letter and select GPT or MBR partition, then click on finish. After that you have to just create a partition. If it's showing unlocated, then right click on that, then click on new volume, then click on finish. After that your drive will appear in your file explorer. After doing this still it is not working, then you can try by changing the drive letter. Again you have to open the disk management. Here you can see this is a D drive. Right click on that, click on property, right click on that, then click on change drive letter and path. Click on change, click on this drop down menu, then select any other letter, then click on OK, then click on OK again. Now your drive letter will be changed. After that you can check whether it's showing or not. If it is not showing, then what you have to do, you have to just open the device manager. Click on this device manager. Here you will find disk drives. Double click and expand it. Select your drive, right click on that. If it is showing disabled, you have to just click on enable. After doing this, once you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix SSD or NVMe not showing on your file explorer in your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.